yeah, oh yeah, I'm a ninja. Ho, 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 you see that? Oh, ho, ho, ho. Yeah, this is upside down, but it's alright. You feel me? Yeah. What's good, hood y'all? It's your homie back again with another video. Alright, enough of that. Oh my goodness. Can't breathe with this thing on, man. Especially when it's hecka hot too. Yo, alright. In today's video, I purchased this one item that will help you guys out a lot because it helps me out a lot. Actually benefits me, especially if you have no room in your room. You feel me? Boom! It's this thing right here. It's a set of 4 storage shelves. Requires no tools, so that's pretty awesome. My room isn't as big as you think it is. I tend to run out of space to put my stuff. Man, I spend a lot of money, let's just say that, okay? I spend a lot of money, I buy all these freaking items. Some of these items don't even work, and like, they're just sitting there, basically. So I need more room, I need something to put them at, you know, until I figure out what to do with them afterwards. So when I went to the store, I came across this thing for $10. Yep, $10, and you get 4 shelves. Yeah, the 4 storage. Yeah, 4 storage, the 4 storage shelf. And that's hard to say. Try to say that 3 times fast. 4 storage shelf, 4 storage. All right, whatever. But anyways, I'm gonna unbox it first and show you guys how to assemble it, and then the final product. And you guys let me know if it's worth the money. I really liked it, so I went out and bought a second set. So I'm rocking 8 of those right now. But yeah, I mean, let's get into the video. Alright y'all, so this is what I'm thinking. I'm thinking about taking this, adding it on right here, seeing if that works. And I'm gonna just keep building it up from there. Alright guys, so this is the finished product. It's not that great. I have to try my best to get this flat. I don't know why it has this little curve. It is bothering the hell out of me. So yeah, but other than that, it's looking pretty nice. It's light, it doesn't take up a lot of space, and I can put whatever I need on there, and yeah. And also, as you can see, I still have some leftover items, or whatever you want to call these, because I had just added it on to the 4 that I already had. So yeah, kind of sucks, but at the same time, what can you do? What can you do? What can you do? Ah. And we're back. I hope that this video actually helped you guys out, and if you guys learned something from it. I did have a problem with this particular one that I bought. It's like the metal or the aluminum stick or whatever. It's not straight. It's like tilted somehow, or like it's not bent or anything, but it just doesn't sit flat. You know what I'm saying? So it's bothering the hell out of me right now. I will show you guys how it looks like with all my stuff on it, but it's a mess. I'm gonna show you guys. Check it out. Yeah, I put all my junk on it. Oh, that doesn't sound right. Oops, sorry. But yeah, I like how I can sit this here now, my printer, and it goes right here and to my desk. But yeah, that's the item, and that's the final product of it. Do I suggest you guys to go out to buy one of these? 20 bucks, you get 8 of those. It's just like going to Walmart or Target and spending $20 on those 4 or 3 drawer set thingy, the plastic one, which breaks on you afterwards when you put in a lot of stuff. Yeah, I went out and spent like 40 bucks on those, and each time I did, it would break on me. So for this one, in my opinion, I think it's worth it. I think it's worth it. That's all I gotta say. I don't know what else to say about this. Life hack, or this is a hack also. Go to the Dollar Tree and then buy those little carrier things, and just, you know, there you go, homemade shelf or homemade drawers right there. You just line them in, line them in. You know what? That's what I'm gonna do today. I might go to the Dollar Tree to pick one up, or to pick up 8, and then yeah, that's what I'm gonna do. I'm blabbing so much. I'm sorry for this. But anyways, hopefully this video helped you guys out, and if it did in any way, please smash that like button. Smash, smash, smash. Subscribe for more. Subscribe for your homie. Subscribe to your homie if you want to see more of me and all these items I'm gonna be spending. I'm gonna be cashing out, cash money. Yeah, that's all I gotta say. Stay tuned, alright? But anyways, y'all, be safe, keep breezy, and now, see y'all in the future. Deuces! 4-story shelves!